Bikes, coffee, and beer. Great combination. Alright guys, so it's about, I don't know, 7:30 this morning. Instead of taking our usual walk down through Friendship Fields Avenue through there, we decided to come up here onto Clark and do some walking around up here. Louise is actually up around the parade field there doing a walk around there, and she's jogging. But yeah, I wanted to show you some of the, some of the restaurants and just different things up here that, maybe some people aren't aware of, or some people have been here years ago when it was the Air Force Base, and I want to just show some of the changes, some of the new buildings that are going up. But anyways, where I'm standing right now, right across the street there, you have the Royce Hotel Casino. Let me see if I can zoom in there. There's the hotel and casino. If you head up that way, that'll take you up towards the Friendship gate up that way. Over this way, straight up, actually straight up there, and to the right a little bit is the parade field. But anyways, I'm gonna walk around here and show you guys some of the buildings here. This here is one of the restaurants here. Too early to be open, but it actually looks like a very nice restaurant. Have these little cabanas here. I don't know if that's for outdoor dining or what it is. Wheelchair accessible. Tam I Authentic Kapampangan Cuisine is what it says. But yeah, looks really nice. Let me take a little stroll in here. Morning. Yeah, they have these dining areas here, as you can see. Very nice. Morning. Very nice. There, that's better. Had to adjust my light setting so you guys can see it. It was kind of dark.
Morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Everybody's very friendly here this morning.
Yes, sir. Very thankful, sir.
That's actually a cool looking chair. Got a bar area back here. Morning. Just the outside view here. Definitely gonna have to come up here and check this out. Come up here and eat sometime. I said it's a very, very neat looking, very nice restaurant here. Then you got the wooden table It's another restaurant here. Go check it out. I don't think they're open to where I can go in, but like I said, these seem to be fairly new. I could be wrong, you know. And then you have the Paris Cafe down there on the corner. Give you a little pan around. See some of the scenery here. Paris Cafe. Looks like up top there they got seating for dining up top. And they got a Eiffel Tower here. Check it out, it's pretty cool. Outside dining area here. Yeah, one of the things you got to remember up here on Clark, there are some jeepneys that do run up here, but they're only designated jeepneys to run up here. You can't just catch any jeepney. And then there's only designated areas that they actually go to. So if you want to come up here and you want to eat at one of these restaurants up here, or come up on the Clark and check things out, you need a car or you need a motorbike. There are no trikes up on the post here, or up on Clark here. They're strictly prohibited. So yeah, if you, like I said, you want to come up here and check out anything up here, you got to pretty much have your own transportation in the form of a car or a motorbike. So anyways, let's check out some more stuff. Pretty quiet back in here. Then again, it is early morning, so So Yang restaurant. Another nice big restaurant here. Let's check this one out. Come around the side. It's like a different world here when you come into Clark. Like Steve Montelli said, when you come in here, you think you're back in America. Things are just modern. You know, there's not a lot of, well, there's not a lot of garbage in here. There's not a lot of trash in here. But yeah, this is the other restaurant here. Outside dining, inside dining. Up top, dining area up there. So Yang. Something like that. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. Who knows?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Got a bicycle shop here. Bikes, coffee, and beer. Great combination. Across the street there's another little restaurant. The Meeting Place. It's called The Meeting Place. And then we have another restaurant here, Grill Soul Cafe. Now this is just one tiny little area. There's so many places like this up here on Clark, where they have restaurants and, you know, little eating places and 7-Elevens and bars and things like that. But yeah, this is just one small area. Kind of almost did like a big loop here. Yeah, that's a Korean barbecue. But yeah, you guys see it. Growth. Right up through there. It's the parade field. So just so you know, kind of know where I'm at right now. All right, I think I'm just going to wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed the little stroll here this morning. Like I said, up here on Clark, a lot of development, a lot of positive things going on up here. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take the time and subscribe. Like, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments down below. Share with your family and friends, and I guess until next time.